Iyak na naman ang China sa balitang ito. Ukraine gustong makipag-co-production sa Pilipinas ng paggawa ng suicidal drone. Ang drone kasi na to ay kinakatakutan ng Russia. Ang drone na to ang humubog sa modernong digmaan. Ang missile kasi ngayon nadedepensahan na ng air defense system. Pero ang mga drones ang hirap pigilan. Bukod kasi sa sobrang liit, hirap nitong makita. Ilang mga warship na rin, fighter jet at warplanes ng Russia ang pinasabog ng mga Ukrainian drone. Kaya sobrang gandang balita nito para sa ating AFP, lalo na't limited lang ang pondo ng Armed Forces. Pero kahit maliit nga lang ang budget, kayang-kaya nating mag-produce ng libo-libong drones. Inaasahan niyang pipirmahan ni Secretary Gibo Teodoro sa Oktubre ang batas na to.
It's needed to be signed the agreement on defense between Ukrainian and Filipino government to create this legal frame for the next steps. And co-production also is one of the topic to be discussed between our governments. So now it's the steps which should be taken by the DND. As I said, Ministry of Defense of Ukraine have developed the draft MOU, have sent it. So now we're waiting for answer, and hopefully, as I already mentioned, in October we will have high-level delegation coming from Ukraine, including also hopefully the representatives from our Ministry of Defense, where the meeting between DND and our Ministry of Defense could have happened, and finally the official signing of MOU could also happen hopefully this October. Then we can move forward with co-production. Ukrainian government now is developing different models and proposals for countries all over the world, how we can co-produce and how we can exchange our knowledge and technologies. As Philippines, as I mentioned several times, you are our reliable partner in the region. That's why we are open to share.
Problemado pa rin nga ang Chinese Defense Ministry sa Typhoon missile. Tapos ngayon, opisyal nang nag-deploy ang US Army ng Typhoon missile sa Japan Air Base. Hindi lang nga sa Pilipinas mayroon na yan. Mayroon na rin sa Japan. Mariin niyang tinuligsan ng China ang deployment. Bakit China? Kinakabahan na ba kayo sa lakas at kakayahan ng Typhoon missile?
坚决反对美国在亚洲国家部署低风中导系统，在日部署中导系统将进一步损害其他国家正当安全利益，对地区战略安全构成实质性威胁。美方、日方应切实尊重他国安全关切，不得引入低风中导系统，以实际行动为地区和平稳定发挥正面作用。由于军国主义侵略历史，日本军事安全动向一直备受亚洲邻国和国际社会高度关注。
Pag napirma na nga ni Secretary Gibo ang Defense Cooperation Agreement sa Ukraine, iiyak talaga tong mga China. At for sure, lalong magagalit pag nagsimula na ang produksyon ng drone. Kayo, pabor ba kayo dito? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.